ho, ho. Hello, everybody. Mr. Mush here. You thought it was Santa, but no, it's me, Mr. Mush. But that's who we're going to make out of clay today. We're going to make Santa Claus. All right, so all you need is oil clay and clay tools. So let's get to it. So I pre-made a skin tone for Santa's head. All I did was took a little bit of orange and a little bit of white, and I mixed it up. And there's Santa's head. All right, so I'm not going to need too much of it, okay? And you'll see why. All right, so there's his head. I'm going to make his suit first, and we're going to save his head for last, okay? So I'm going to take some of my red, and I'm going to make a big belly. Santa's got that big belly, okay? And I'm going to do a little bit of a pinch pot here, because I want it to feel like his suit is... And, like, my clay's a little dirty, so I'm smearing off the dirty clay because I don't want Santa's jacket to be all dirty, okay? Even though probably by the end of the night, it is a little dirty, okay? So I'm just taking a little pinch pot like this because I want it to feel like his suit is draping over his legs, all right? Then I'm going to take some more red, and I'm just going to stick it in the bottom like this, okay? That way we have the draping happening, okay? Just like that. It's almost like a bell, like a Christmas bell. And I'm going to roll this to make it nice and round, okay? And then we'll add the trim and things like that, okay? Next, I'm going to make his legs. And I'm just going to make short, little, stubby legs like this because I'm going to add his black boots on the bottom. So I'm going to take some black, and I'm going to roll this out, make like a little L like this, okay, flatten the bottom so it sticks, and then I'm going to take some white, and I'm going to roll it out, a little coil, and put it around the boot's top. Well, that's the bottom, okay, just like this. Just like that. And then I stick it on the leg, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to do that again for the other leg. Okay, I need a little more black. Okay, bend the L. Okay, this will be the top. Okay. And then I'm going to take some white, roll out the coil. A little bit too thick. I gotta keep rolling it. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, then I'm gonna stick his legs on just like this. And it totally works. See, there he is. Okay. Now I'm going to add the trim to his suit. Okay. Rolling a coil. And remember, like, if you make a coil and it's too short, like this, just get some more, and then you attach it. That's why I love working with clay. It's not like working with stone where it's like, you know, you're taking away. Clay is like you're adding. Okay? All right, so there's that trim. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the fluff going down the front like this. And I'm flattening it out just like this. Okay. And then I realized I need some more red clay for his arms. So let me grab some red clay. All right. And then before I do that, though, I'm going to give him his belt. Okay, so I'm... Oh, geez. Sorry, Santa. Santa down. Santa down. All right. Okay. So it's looking pretty nice. It's looking pretty good. Okay. I roll my coil. Smush it down a little bit. Just like this. Okay. And just like we talked about before, it's not long enough. Okay, but I think it is gonna be long enough. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I wrap that around his belly. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of yellow. Again, I'm rolling coils. Okay, and I'm gonna make like a little square for his belt buckle. Just like this. It's gonna be more like a rectangle. Just like that. Yeah, I love Santa. I've always loved Santa. He's the best. He's one of my favorite people in the whole wide world. Okay. All right. There's his belt. Okay. And then next, we're going to give him his arms. Roll some coils. Okay. I'm going to flatten the bottom. Okay. Flatten the bottom over here. I think we just need a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to take some white. And I'm going to wrap it around the bottom right here where we're going to put his mittens. Okay, didn't get all the way around, so just add a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm going to take some green. Give him green mittens. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it in a ball, smush it a little bit, give it a thumb, just like that. And then stick it on just like this. Okay, and then here's his one arm. Okay, I'm gonna have him waving hello like this. And then his other arm's gonna be holding his belly like he's laughing. Ho ho ho! Oh, Santa! All right, let me wrap this around. Just like that. Okay, let me make his green mitten. Pinch it up, smush it around. Okay, and then I'm putting this arm on like this, and he's holding his belly. He's gonna be going, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. All right, now we gotta do his head. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna have his eyes closed. Okay, so I'm going to make really tiny, almost like little tiny coils like this. Just like that. Okay, as his head rolls away. Okay, and these are not his eyebrows, his eyes are shut. Okay, I'm gonna give him a little red nose, but before I do that, I'm gonna make his mustache underneath. And I'm gonna take two little coils like this, put them together, and put the red nose on top. Then I'm gonna take, well, before I do that, I'm gonna take a little bit of black, and I'm gonna put his mouth going ho 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 like that. Okay? Then I'm gonna make his beard. And I'm gonna smush the white clay like this, and I'm gonna put it all around his face like this. Okay? And don't forget, put some white on the back of his head. Okay? And we don't need to worry about his hair on top because we're gonna put his hat on. Okay? And then I'm gonna stick on the mustache and the nose just like this. Okay? And then there's his head. Pretty good. I love this Santa. All right, but we gotta do his hat. Okay, so that's the last thing we need. Okay, so I'm gonna make his floppy old hat. I'm gonna do a little bit of a pinch inside so it can rest on his head. Okay, I'm gonna do a trim. Oh, you know what? I mixed a little bit of black and a little bit of white to get this grayish color for his hat. Because his hat, he's used for a long time. Okay? So, I wanted to make it look a little dingy, a little dirty, but it's Santa's favorite hat. It's the one he always wears on Christmas Eve. Just like this. Okay? And then add a little poof ball on the end. Just like this. And then I put it on top of his head. And there you go. There is Santa in all of his glory. I love this. It turned out so nice. Okay? All right, so I would love to see your Santas. So please take a picture of it, send it to the email below, or tag us on social media. Maybe you did yours a little bit different. Maybe you gave him a green suit. Maybe you gave him a purple suit. Okay? But I would love to see your Santas. All right? So send us a picture or tag us on social media. All right, we're going to move on to the next project. I'll see you there. Peace.